I would give this a 10 out of 10. It does automatically detect it did hook up to the Wi-Fi. If you press the button, you can hear the chime there, and then it actually lets me know from my device that there's someone at the front door. The two-way speaker does work, so you're able to hear the person and they're able to hear you. I did put it on the sticker because on my front door I don't really have a place to drill holes, so I just attached it to the screen door. It is definitely a great buy.
Okay, here's the camera. Now, I tried hooking it up, putting it together. You don't get this with it. You just get these two pieces right here. I tried to hook it up, but I got my Wi-Fi on it. But here's the problem. It says you have to hook it up to the Wi-Fi. But here's the thing. You can only hook it up with 2.4 gigabytes or Wi-Fi. And now everything is 5 gigabytes or 5 GH, whatever that means. Oh, now it's blinking. It will not hook up for me. So that's not a plus. I'm going to try again and I'll let you guys know.